Assalamu alaikum, fam. Hope you're doing well. So I don't know if you've ever seen Indian corn, but if you're in the autumn season around in America, sometimes you'll see Indian corn. If you didn't know that corn came in different colors, well, now you know. Some people use this for decoration. However, there's blue corn that I can take out, grind it, or you can buy it ground. And then you make tamales with it. You can make tortillas with it. You can make all kinds of good stuff with it. You can also make soup. This one's more starchy, so it's different than your typical yellow corn that you'll see in the store. Again, though, if you didn't know, it comes in different varieties. So it's always good to plant different kinds of corn in your garden. It's really healthy. And with this variety, I'm actually going to give it to my birds, and I'm going to give some to the squirrels so they can have a treat, because it was a good price and you're going to be kind to the animals and stuff. So yeah, I just wanted to share that with you in case you never knew what Indian corn looked like. If you get curious, there's also, like, see how there's like these purple kernels? I've also had purple corn tortillas. It's really good. So if you're wondering how you don't see this kind of corn much in the stores, because the company Monsanto, it's a horrible giant corporation with genetically modified products, has taken over, bought seeds, taken land from farmers with their pressuring campaigns of buying up small farms to have a monopoly, pushing out little farms. But this used to be the norm in America during the tribal periods. But little by little, corporations have begun to take away that and keep the original seeds, these kernels, in their seed vaults. If you see where they have their seed banks and seed vaults, and now they've been allowed to copyright, or I don't know what this is called, copyright, but they have some type of thing now on their own, patenting. Yeah, they have patenting on their own, on the seeds they take from these farmers. So if you get caught with one of their kernels in your field, they can sue you. So it's really horrible, very, very horrible. I think India is the biggest country that's having problems with Monsanto and how they treat their farmers and stuff. But again, we need more protections for us to have our own kind of food and to have diverse products to eat. So yeah, just wanted to share that with you. Hope you're having a good day.